Our aim is to find out the value of a plus b cross a minus b. So our aim is to find out the value of a plus b cross a minus b. So what we can do is, first we can go for this a vector cross a vector. So I'm just writing it as something but a vector cross a vector. Then we can go for next one, that is a vector cross minus b vector, which can be written as minus of a cross b. Then we can go for b vector cross a vector, which I am taking it as plus b vector cross a vector minus. Now we can write this as b vector cross minus b vector, which we can take it as minus of b vector cross b vector. Now we know that a cross a is having a magnitude of a into sine 0, sine 0 is 0, so it's having a magnitude of 0. So a cross a is 0 vector minus a cross b, minus of a cross b can be written as, this a cross b can be written as minus of b cross a plus this b cross a vector over here, and b cross b is going to be 0 vector. So we can write this negative and this negative, it becomes positive. So it is plus b cross a plus b cross a. So b cross a plus b cross a is going to be 2 times of b vector cross a vector. So this will give the value of a plus b cross a minus b.